Welcome to Divine Guidance Institute. Never get blindsided again. In a world filled with deception, misinformation, and uncertainty, it's easy to feel lost.
Scams, false advertising, financial fraud, misdiagnosis, and toxic relationships, they're everywhere. But if you've had the tools to see through the lies before they happened, well, at Divine Guidance Institute, we empower you, the ancient way of knowing, a proven system designed to help you make the right decisions, love, career, health, and life.
The reality? 42 million adults suffer from anxiety in the U.S. alone. Medical misdiagnosis causes 800,000 deaths and disabilities every year. 3.4 billion is lost to scams targeting the elderly financially every single year in the U.S. 81% of people lie on their dating profiles. 74% of companies hire the wrong person, costing them millions. These numbers don't lie. Getting blindsided is a global crisis, but we have a solution. How we make the impact, how to recognize the deception before it's too late, protecting you from online scams and financial fraud, understanding misinformation in media, politics, and healthcare, making better choices in relationships and career, unlocking your inner wisdom to navigate life with confidence.
Founded through personal transformation, Divine Guidance Institute was born from real-life experiences, navigating heartbreak, business failures, personal awakenings, actually through vibration, dreams, synchronicities, and intuition, and the ancient wisdom, we discovered a way to uncover truth and never, ever get blindsided again. Now, we're sharing this knowledge with you. Welcome to your ultimate hub, where wisdom meets action.
Here, you'll uncover the secrets to a wealthy, healthy, and stress-free life, from mastering financial security and building meaningful relationships to achieving optimal well-being and mental clarity. We will provide you with the tools to navigate life's challenges with confidence. At Divine Guidance Institute, Modern Day Mystery School, we empower you with time-tested wisdom and modern insights so you can make smarter decisions, avoid deception, and create the life you truly deserve.
So join us. Please join us and transform your life. Subscribe now to unlock eye-opening insights, powerful interviews, and transformational tools to help you take control of your future. Turn on notifications so you never miss an episode, and please feel free to drop us a comment. We love hearing your stories and questions. Thank you.
Hey, signing off, Dr. Nick and Mike. Talk soon.